Welcome back to Ultimate Luxury Cars. In this video, we are going to take an in-depth look at the Bugatti W16 Mistral. Stands as the final road legal hypercar to house Bugatti's legendary W16 quad-turbo engine, delivering an unprecedented 1,600 PS of power. Its name, Mistral, evokes the fierce southern French wind, symbolizing both freedom and untamed energy. Under the skin lies the same high-output W16 powertrain from the record-setting Chiron Super Sport 300 Plus, offering 1,600 PS matched with jaw-dropping torque. This immense force propels the Mistral to remarkable speeds, capable of reaching 420 mph in its standard top-speed configuration. On a dedicated high-speed run, the Mistral shattered open-top vehicle records by hitting 453.9 mph, 282 mph, becoming the fastest convertible ever produced. It accelerates from 0 to 100 mph in roughly 2.4 seconds, reflecting its ferocious performance pedigree. Rather than adapting an existing chassis, Bugatti fully re-engineered the underlying architecture to deliver an ultra-rigid, lightweight roadster capable of handling the W16's full force, no roof included. The new monocoque balances structural stiffness with mass efficiency, ensuring that track-level agility complements its record-breaking speed. Behind the cockpit, specially designed carbon fiber intake scoops channel air directly into the engine, amplifying the distinctive roar of the W16 and are structurally capable enough to serve as rollover protection. Only 99 units of the W16 Mistral were ever produced, each priced at around $5 million, a testament to its exclusivity. All units were sold before it was officially unveiled, marking this model as a rare and coveted final chapter in Bugatti's W16 legacy. This hypercar isn't just about raw performance, it serves as a monumental finale to an era in high-performance automotive engineering. It encapsulates Bugatti's heritage, pushing the boundaries of speed, design, and mechanical excellence while marking the end of the W16's road-going journey. Engine 8.0 liters W16 quad turbo, 1,600 PS, top speed 420 mph, standard, a 453.9 mph, record, 0 100 km/h acceleration 2.4 seconds, chassis bespoke, re-engineered roadster platform, production run limited to 99 units, all pre-sold. The Bugatti W16 Mistral boasts a striking and aerodynamic design that reflects its hypercar status and performance capabilities. It is a two-seat roadster, deliberately crafted without a roof to emphasize the open-air driving experience. The body is sculpted for maximum aerodynamic efficiency, featuring aggressive lines and large air intakes that help cool the powerful W16 engine. Unique to the Mistral are carbon fiber intake scoops positioned behind the seats, which channel air directly into the engine bay. These scoops also function structurally as rollover protection bars. The car's wide stance and muscular proportions emphasize its performance potential, with a low, wide front end and prominent rear diffuser that help generate downforce and stability at extreme speeds. The rear is dominated by quad exhaust outlets and large vents to aid in cooling and aerodynamic balance. The entire exterior is a blend of advanced materials like carbon fiber and lightweight alloys, ensuring rigidity while minimizing weight. Inside, the Bugatti W16 Mistral offers a luxurious and driver-focused cockpit designed to complement its extreme performance. The interior features premium materials such as high-grade leather, carbon fiber, and metallic accents, combining luxury with a sporty feel. Seating is designed for comfort and support during high-speed driving, with ergonomically shaped, highly adjustable seats that provide excellent lateral support. The dashboard and controls maintain a minimalist yet functional layout, ensuring the driver has intuitive access to all key functions without distraction. Advanced digital instrumentation provides real-time vehicle data, including performance metrics, allowing the driver to monitor the car's systems easily. Despite its focus on speed and performance, the cabin integrates luxury touches like custom stitching, exclusive badging, and bespoke trim options tailored to each buyer's preferences. The Bugatti W16 Mistral carries an extraordinary price tag reflecting its status as a limited edition hypercar and the final road legal model to feature Bugatti's legendary W16 engine. With only 99 units produced, each Mistral is priced at around $5 million, underscoring its exclusivity, advanced engineering, and unparalleled performance. This premium pricing positions the Mistral among the most expensive and coveted hypercars in the world, attracting collectors and enthusiasts seeking a unique blend of cutting-edge technology and automotive artistry. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share and press the bell icon button.